Today I'm going to show you how to create a live stream in StreamYard. So right over here on your homepage in StreamYard, you will see that you have the Create tab and we have live stream, recording and on-air webinar. So what we want to do is simply click on live stream and here you can choose your destination. Now, of course, whichever destination you're using, go ahead and choose them, or you can just skip your destination for now and set up your live stream. So over here, you want to go ahead and choose either studio or pre-recorded video. So let's go ahead and choose pre-recorded video. I want to take you through this. So here you'll be able to upload a pre-recorded video that you have pre-recorded and it will be played live in real time. Okay. Then you have the studio option where you will add a title over here. So let's just say new stream. And from here, you can click on create new stream. It's now entering the studio. This will allow you to now set up your stream. Okay, so you're going to set up your mic and your camera. So here it says there's no mic or camera access. So what we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and say allow mic and camera access. Over here you can see I am blocking it right now. You can choose your camera. If you have an external camera, you can use that. And then your microphone, you can see currently it is working because I'm speaking. There we go. And then you can choose either to allow while visiting the site or only allow this time. If you are going to be using this on a regular basis, make sure you choose the allow and on the site. You don't have to click on that every single time. Now, you will have the option to mute. You can stop your cam. Then you can also change your settings. So we've got our general settings over here. We've got camera settings, audio, visual effects. All right. You'll need a green screen. It'll make it a little bit, and then you can go and click on got it. Let's try it. And you can see what all it offers. You can also change your recording, your hotkeys, and your guest settings over here. And then you can add in your display name. So let's just say Sam is my display name. Click on Enter Studio. And we are now in our studio. Right. Now, what we can do here is we can add somebody in over here, so we can invite somebody. At the bottom over here you can change what all of this looks like. Okay, you can also just turn your camera off, you can mute your mic, you can add a different screen or source, you can add people, there's a teleprompter, and then your settings again. Over here you'll leave the studio, and then on the top right hand side you can click on record. You'll be able to then record your live stream. All right, good. On the left hand side, you'll see all of your scenes over here. You'll be able to change that. And once you're done, essentially, you'll be able to now live stream. But you do need to connect to one of your destinations over here. So if you want to learn how to do that, go ahead and check out our video on how to add YouTube as your streaming destination.